15 effective ways to make your boyfriend miss you like crazy. Have you ever heard about absence makes the heart grow fonder? Well, whether you're trying to spice up your relationship or trying to keep things going long distance, getting him to miss you is a secret ingredient in your love potion. It feels nice to be wanted and even better to be desired. So learn how to make him miss you more by understanding these simple tips. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification button bell to get new video updates. Thanks for supporting our channel. 1. Don't always be available for him. When you're in love with someone, you want to spend a lot of time with that person. But to create a feeling to miss you, you need to sometimes not be with him. You don't always have to give up all your time for him. Your boyfriend is not going to miss you if you're always available. Instead, find things that you can put into yourself. Please create your own space and time away from him. While it is essential to spend time together to win his heart, it is equally important to give some space so that he'll realize how special you are and how much he really misses you. 2. Hang out with your friends. You don't have to hang out with him all the time. It would help if you also caught up with your friends often. Plan a girls' night out or a girls' trip. Then share with him some fun moments with your friends. After spending a few days away from him, he may be happy you're having a good time, but he will also become jealous. If he sees how much fun you're having, he's going to want to come along on your next adventure. This way, you can also balance out the equation and do something without him, ultimately making him miss you. 3. Highlight the fun parts of your life using social media. If you want him to miss you, you can use social media to your advantage. First, update your social media feed so he can see all the fun you're having. Guys are definitely more visual creatures, so give him something good to look at, and he'll be hooked, which brings you to the next step. But make sure you do not fabricate fake posts. Just be you, be fun, and be authentic. 4. Wait for some time before returning his texts and calls. Another way to make your boyfriend miss you is by not instantly responding to his texts and calls. Instead, show him that you have another life going around. So, whenever he calls or texts you randomly, make him wait for some time before answering it. This way, he will miss you more than you thought he could be. 5. Find a signature scent that will remind him of you. Simply wear your signature scent whenever you meet your boyfriend so that he will slowly recognize you with that smell. As much as possible, use the top quality brand of perfume, shampoo, or lotion. Then, imagine yourself resting on his shoulder or chest and leaving behind your beautiful scent on his body. This will leave him thinking about you every time he smells something even faintly similar. 6. Cook a delicious meal for him. Impress your boyfriend by making home-cooked delicious dishes for him. His taste buds will surely be missing the food you always make for him. If you still don't know how to cook, then it's time for you to learn a new skill. 7. Go on a weekend getaway without him. Anything that doesn't include him will keep him at bay and leave him wanting for more. Take a weekend off and go by yourself or with friends. Just relax, treat yourself, and enjoy. Once you come back, you can be sure he will be more than glad to see you. 8. Let him go with his friends. Don't worry about him enjoying his free time with his friends. Of course, giving him space to enjoy is going to make you look confident and less clingy. He may seem to enjoy it, but eventually, your boyfriend will crave more time with you. So, the next time he tries to find excuses to hang out with his friends, let him go. If he wants to go on a boys' trip, allow him. The more time he is away from you, the more he will realize what he's missing. He might think his friends are important and deserves his time, but he will soon learn that he can't spend his lifetime with only them. He needs you. 9. Invest in yourself. Treat yourself to a new makeup look, dress up for him, or get a new haircut. It will leave you attractive and unforgettable in your boyfriend's eyes and mind even after you leave. He'll start thinking of you and wanting to be closer to you. This will work especially if you're getting attention from other guys around you. So, invest in yourself and make yourself feel good to make your guy miss you. 10. Bring back the mystery and suspense. Try not to share everything you're thinking or feeling. Rather than letting him get used to your routine, challenge him with new activities and give him more of the fun and positive associations he is enjoying. Remind him of your courting stage where everything was still a mystery between the two of you. 11. Be independent. Getting a little more independent and less reliant on him will make him miss you more. On the other hand, when you stop reaching out to him for the silliest of things, he'll start to wonder, and that, I bet, will be in your favor. 12. Be a jolly girlfriend. Who would miss a boring girlfriend? If you're fun to be with and always smile to your guy, he will definitely miss you when he doesn't see you. Your cheerful and charming face will always be in his mind wherever he will go. 13. Make him realize how lucky he is to have you. Make your guy realize how valuable your worth is. Let him know that you're one of a kind, and losing you will make him regret it big time. If your boyfriend realizes that you're someone to be treasured and kept for, surely he cannot get you out of his mind. 14. Always be that sweet, loving, and caring girlfriend to him. Of course, the best thing that guys will miss is the extraordinary love and care that their girlfriends are giving them. If you want your boyfriend to miss you deeply, then make him fall in love with you deeply. Always give him your tender, loving care. Make him happy when he's sad. Be at his side when he needs support. Nurse him when he's sick. Understand him when he makes mistakes. Be faithful to him, and love him for who he is. 15. Dress cute whenever you go out with him. Flatter your man with some of his favorite clothes. Make sure they fit tight enough to show off all of your sexy slight curves. But most importantly, feel in what you wear. If not, you'll regret it later when your boyfriend starts checking out all of the other girls in the room. Use these clever ways to make your guy miss you and love you more. After all, if he genuinely loves you, he will miss you every single day. Missing someone is your heart's way of reminding you that you love them. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.